Good morning, I'm MrTieDye and we're doing another reveal video here. This is going to be for upcoming video. I've had lots of requests for the dream catcher, so I decided to do a video of it. And this is the tea I made. So we're going to open this up, see what we got. Alright, let's open this thing up and see what we got here. There's the front. Didn't quite get the saturation I wanted, but oh well. And then there's the back. We did the Dreamcatcher heart. And then on both of the sleeves, we did the Dreamcatcher design on there too. So that's what we've got here. And this one here is an adult medium. So okay, I did a bunch of these wild spirals. This was in my super spiral video. The last design there was the wild spiral. Anyways, I had several requests for people, they wanted me to do reveal video on these. So this one here is an adult small. Yeah, these are fun to do. So I will put an album up with all of these when they're all washed and dried, and you guys can claim yours. Anyways, that first one was an adult small. Okay, this next one's an adult medium. I just love the colors and patterns. I think I had 15 or 16 different colors that I put on these and just mix matched them all together. So that's an adult medium. Okay, this one's an adult large. Rare band to let go. Here's an adult extra large, and this one's a long sleeve. Yeah, I might have to claim that one myself unless somebody else snags it first. So if you want the adult extra large, you better claim it. Okay, here's an adult extra large in short sleeve. Alright. Okay, here's a 2X in short sleeve. Once again, you guys can claim any of these. After I get them all washed and dried, I'll be taking pictures and putting them into my store. But if you want to claim them, just make a comment on this video. Okay, last one. This here is a 4X. These are a lot of fun to do. I'll probably have to do another run of these. They are popular. There's another wild spiral. There's the back. Thank you for watching.